Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school register. First, find your class list and the correct date column. You'll use simple codes to mark attendance for each student. For example, P typically means present and A means absent. It's important to mark every student accurately and consistently each day. This ensures a complete and reliable record for your class. Beyond just marking present or absent, the register allows for more detail. When a student is absent, you can record the reason in a specific notes section. Many systems use codes, such as L for late or E for excused absence. This helps track patterns and provides valuable context for school administration. Always keep notes concise and relevant. A key benefit of using a school register is the ability to review attendance data. You can easily see trends, like a student's consistent lateness or frequent absences. Many digital registers allow you to generate reports, perhaps weekly or monthly, providing a clear overview. This data is crucial for identifying students who might need additional support or intervention from the school. To ensure effective use, always maintain accuracy and consistency when filling out the register. Treat all student information with the utmost confidentiality and keep the register secure. Remember, attendance records are often legal documents, so precision is paramount. Proper use supports student well-being and helps the school meet its administrative responsibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.